Okay, once we adjusting all the part that we wanted, right? Okay, so make your head bigger or angles. Okay, that. Mhm. So your torso, your mouth. Okay, so you can do adjustments toward all your characters. Okay, so after you finish adjusting all your faces, we leave it, we unclothe. So if you wear the clothes, for example, this one because only have a limited um, choice only lah. Okay, so now you can see you can already have a cloth here. So you can go to your scene for your dressing here. You can uncheck it lah. But this one you will have like this lah. So go back So after that you have this already. You wanted to make the cloth for it, so you just go to FBX and then all the characters and then you click export lah. Okay. So you can have the characters here. You save it. So now we can use our own characters in our marvelous designer. Import FBX and we'll have this character. Okay, so now we can make a cloth for all our characters here. Okay. So now you can make a cloth for any of the characters that you have lah. But you see it won't have any it come out with this one. Okay, you also can using the same thing do the same thing for your cloth. Okay, for example we quickly to have one. Okay, not easy we simply do one okay, so for example we have our own cloth already, then we direct export so we just take the example that we have. Okay, we already draw Okay, so this is the one that last week we drawing. Okay, so for our cloth, okay, we export it FBX and we need to have change some setting for our FBX. So this one, for example, is like the dress 04, for example, dress 04. We save it and we need to change the setting for our exporting. Okay, the rigging that in the Marvelous Designer is very big difference than the game engine rigging. So we need to exclude the rig. Exclude the rig. Okay, make sure you choose exclude the rig and single object unveil, and then check this one, the UV coordinate system. Okay, for the UV coordinate, you press OK. Done this one setting. Okay, press OK. Okay, now you have your characters. You have your character, which is name it as a dress 4, right? Where I save? Oh, okay, for my this one, so if your dress 4, so now you open your mixamo. Okay, open this mixamo. Okay, you log in. Okay, now you upload your characters. You upload your character. Just drag and drop your characters toward here. Just drag and drop. Okay, now you have your characters here. You go to next. Okay, this one is your reference image. You see the colors of the ring here. You just press your ring based on the reference. So this one is your chin. Okay. So you based on this one, class, based on this one. Okay, the rest will be the same. Okay, because we are our characters is symmetry, so we just use this symmetry. Then goes to next. Okay, so now next again. So it will be have your characters now your characters is over here. Okay, this one is to choose the characters because we upload our own characters, so it will be we are not using this one but if you don't have any characters you can choose the characters here. Okay, so we just change the animation here. Okay, we download the um okay, we need to download three animation. Okay, which is walking, idols, and runner. We download these three animation. So for the walk, okay, you can choose the walking that you want. Okay, you can have a normal walk here. Okay, so for our game engine, we cannot have characters that move forward. So if the characters move forward, then we use our controller key to work our characters, it will have issue because it will be looping forward and back forward. So when we control with our mouse key, our keyboard, so it will be back forward sound when it working. So make the entire system so weird. So for a game, we need to check the in place. So make it working in the position without moving in front. So after your modification finish already, you click download, search for the Unity with skin. So you click download. Okay, and then go for the idle or run. Okay, we choose the idle first. The animation for idle. So you can make your idle this one. Okay, so the second one actually you no need to have a skin, but SPF for Unity. So click download. Last we have the run. Okay, we have the run. So for the run animation, okay, for example, fast run, okay. I'm using this one. Okay, so same thing, you need to click in place. Okay, this one you can adjust the height that they are not moving so the light is not moving so big big position, and the speed that they are moving you also can have a adjust the height. Okay, so then you click download. Okay, without skin also, then download okay, so now go back to your Unity. This one done already. Okay. Okay, once we adjust, huh? No video, unsuccessfully recording. Okay, once we adjusting all the, this one, what happened? Okay, once we adjust